up, kids? I'm Firefighter Carl. Come, let me show you around the firehouse. This is the bay where we keep all the fire trucks. Can you guess what fire truck this is? That's right, this is the fire engine. It carries water and hose to put out all of the fires. Can you guess what this is? That's right, this is the fire hose. We use this to put out the fires. It opens and closes just like your garden hose. Come with me, we'll show you some other ways we can put out some fires. Can you tell me what this is? That's right, this is a fire extinguisher. We have two different kinds. This one sprays water.
Hi, I'm firefighter Tony Singe. Welcome, boys and girls. Can you guess what this is? This is a ladder truck. Notice the big ladder and small ladder over there. It has various other equipment and rescue tools. Can you guess what this is? That's right, it's the jaws of life. We use tools like this and other tools to rescue people out of cars.
Alright, so let's check out the upstairs of the firehouse. So we have the administration offices as you walk in upstairs. Just like a normal house, we have a kitchen, dining room, and living room, so come check out our kitchen. So in here we're just getting ready to prepare dinner for the night crew. And then we have our dining room over here where we're going to be eating tonight. Over here's our living room where we hang out on our downtime once all our house chores are done. I'm going to make sure we get all our house chores done and our beds are made for the day. Can you guess what this is? That's right. This is our air tank that we use to breathe in when we go in fires. It's called our SCBA, self-contained breathing apparatus. Helps us breathe clean air when we're in fires and stay safe. So every morning we have to check our equipment. So right now I'm going through my equipment check, checking this all out, making sure it's ready to go to work. Go ahead and turn on our air bottle here. This is our mask that we wear and we put on our face when we go in a fire. Gotta test it out. We'll show you how it works. Now you can see I sound a little different when I have the mask on, but I'm still the same person. So this is what we're going to look like when we go into a fire with our mask on. It covers our face, but we can still see. And we're breathing that clean air right out of this bottle here. That noise that's going off, that alerts other firefighters if we're down and we need help. We can also hit this button here. It's really loud. Every morning we go ahead and check our equipment. We want to make sure that it's all set and ready to go for the day. This is the machine where we top off all our air bottles. This is firefighter Jake. He's wearing the gear we use when we go into a fire, called our personal protective equipment, also known as PPE. You'll see he's got leather boots, thick knee pads for when he's crawling around. He's also got a harness if he needs to attach into the ladder truck. And he's also wearing his air pack, and you'll notice he's breathing air. So this is how he sounds when he's breathing on air. You'll see he's got his helmet on, it's strapped up, and he's ready to go with his gloves as well.
Hi everybody, I'm Firefighter Jake. This gear keeps us protected while we're in a structure fire. Does anybody know what to do if your clothes catch on fire? That's right, stop, drop, and roll.
Alright, well thanks for visiting. Oh, you just got a call. Alright, time to go. Do you know what number to call in case of an emergency? That's right, 911.
Remember to always practice safe social distancing. Bye, everybody.
See you later. Thanks for visiting.